Hi, I'm Mike Gubby and welcome to this edition of Mike's Onsite. I want to thank Alf for letting me come to his property today and take you through and allow us to see exactly how a 6 metre wide motorised sheer curtain gets installed using our beautiful Wilson Coast fabric in the colour snow. This is the new Versa drapery motor, and this is the rechargeable battery module that we're just going to bring together just like that. So it's fully rechargeable, and this motor is going to listen to the same remote control as our roller blind motors, and it's also going to link into the same Wi-Fi hub as our roller blind motors. So this house is going to be fully automated using the Siri Apple HomeKit control. So the curtain today is going to be 6 metres wide. It's going to be a one-way draw. As I said, we've motorised the roller blinds already, and there's a link right here for a video on what we did to save these roller blinds and to get rid of the choke hazard that we had with these blinds right here. So I hope you enjoy the video, and let's get straight into it. We've just installed this beautiful motorised curtain track with our brand new Versa battery motor. We've used the beautiful new iSeek slimline motorised track, and it's turned out an absolute treat. So what we've done is we've retrofitted the roller blind motors. We've fitted this beautiful new sheer curtain. The fabric is the Wilson fabric. The style is Coast and the colour is Snow, and I can't wait to show you what it looks like. Alfreda, thank you so much for letting me come into your home and complete this job. I now want to show you exactly what it looks like. Let's hit the button.
Wow.
Pretty good, mate?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Woohoo!
Yay.